Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2018 Nissan Sentra S in Super Black with fully automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch wheels, brake assist, power mirrors, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 32,000 miles on the odometer, auxiliary input for mobile devices, 4 premium speakers, split folding rear seats, occupant sensing airbags, a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5505.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.